Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel, and I'm doing this project. I'm applying gesso on 8 by 8 watercolor paper. I'm making all the um, preparation ready for the project. So once it dries up, I'm going to start the project. So I'm heat drying it. Now I'm using for the background gelatos. I'm using first the blue color. I'm just going to rub it with my fingers and lightly wet it with the baby wipe and then rubbing it. And I'm adding some other colors also in that. I love gelatos. It's a lot of fun to use it, and it blends very easily with the fingers. Now I'm using green color gelato in this. I'm blending it with the blue color. I'm going to do the fall project, like a beautiful fall leaves and the background. So I'm using the colors which goes with the background. I'm adding some brown color also in this. If you like my project, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so you can see my projects as I post it. That way you won't miss it. Now I'm going to dry everything. And now I'm adding a second layer. Now I'm using this stencil and I'm going to use the baby wipe and just rub it off. So this will give another texture. Now I'm using this acrylic paint and I'm going to dab it on the stencil. Now I'm going to use the stamps. These are leaf stamps. And I'm using archival ink. I'm going to list everything in the description box below. You can use any kind of leaf stamps. I'm sure there are plenty of stamps out there. I'm going to dry everything. So I'm using this gold acrylic paint, and I'm going to use that on the project. This gives again some extra texture to the background. Now I'm using more stamps. Now for the background, I'm using different kind of stamp. It is from 49 Market. Now I'm going to emboss some of the leaf stamps. I'm going to add little more stamps and emboss it. Now I'm actually applying the Distress Oxide black soot, and I'm going to color the edges. I'm using all these different acrylic paints, and I'm going to splatter on the page. Now I'm going to start placing all these leaves and also give a shade for the leaves. So now I'm going to use the glue and start sticking. These are beautiful leaves, and I bought it from Dollar Tree, and they look so real and very detailed. I'm sticking these two ladybugs. They look so pretty in the leaves. And I'm putting glossy accent on the top. The one I was talking about from the Dollar Tree, and they are so beautiful. You can see that. So I used all those leaves in this. So I'm going to finish it and putting the sentiment saying happy fall. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn the notification on so you can see my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.